One of the Sage CRM development partners in the Sage CRM community is called Leading Edge out of Romania. And their favorite product of mine is called Editable Grids, which allows you to make bulk actions against lists in Sage CRM, which you normally can't do. By way of an example, here's an editable grid where I can go in and make all kinds of changes to the entire list and then save it in one swoop. But that's not the new feature. The new feature is that I can take a bulk action to either export or delete data, and if I export it, then I can manipulate it and re-import it right into Sage CRM. So I'll use export, apply, and I want you to notice that in the export, it gives you this column A, which is the ID. So that's how we know when we re-import the data, it uses column A to refresh the data. However, we can certainly add more data. I'm going to say August. So I'll make two changes. I'll add a record because it doesn't have an ID. When I import it, it will create the new record. And up here, I'll change this to LTD. And now when I come back here, I can import and press OK. And it's not instant, but you'll see it's working fine. That Office Supplies is now Office Supplies LTD, and that it created my August 16th B. So pretty cool, and in many cases, quite practical.